You don't need to do more. You need your money working in one direction. Because scattered effort builds nothing. And that's where most people fail. They try to save, invest, insure, plan, but every move is disconnected. No alignment, no control. The wealthy don't play that way. Their money moves with purpose. Every asset, every policy, every tax strategy points to one goal: freedom on their terms. They don't hustle harder, they align smarter. If your financial life feels chaotic, it probably is. Because, without a system, every decision becomes a guess. And guesses don't build wealth. Systems do. Strategy does. Alignment does. That alignment, it's called wealth management. A full-spectrum strategy that connects your income, investments, taxes, estate, and risk into one engine, one purpose, one direction. It's not a luxury, it's the foundation. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how precisely you align what you already have. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.